A handbag made from lab-grown T-Rex leather. That's right, you heard correctly. T-Rex leather. Sounds like science fiction, but it could actually signal the future of materials in fashion. Today, we're looking at what this breakthrough means and whether it goes beyond a headline into real commercial potential. I'm joined today by Che Conan, CEO, and Jeff Baker, Chairman of BSF Enterprise. Che, Jeff, welcome to the watch list.
Maybe. Hi.
So, you've just unveiled what's being described as the world's first handbag made from lab-grown T-Rex leather, a major milestone. How significant is this for BSF Enterprise in positioning itself at the forefront of biotech materials innovation?
I'll take that one. Thanks, Ricky. What we've done is that in producing this handbag is we've demonstrating the power of this T-Rex leather. And T-Rex leather does it really represents the pinnacle of artisanal luxury. But its origin it belongs more in the deep tech biotechnology seminar, which creates a unique space for us, somewhere between deep heritage and cutting edge science, which is an amazing place to be. And we're unique in being in that place. The background is that leather is a multi-billion market, but under profound structural stress. The use of animals, associated health, land, water requirements increasingly involves supply chain volatility, environmental pull, and ethical scrutiny. But importantly, we're not just engineering a greener alternative to cowhide. What our technology allows us to do is to redefine the material basis of luxury itself. And that's what this first demonstration of the T-Rex handbag is doing.
Well, no, I think the leather itself, as you'd imagine, is an alternative leather, and this is demonstrating the versatility of the technology that our labs up in Newcastle and Shea has been able to bring together. It's not just producing leather from animals or a biopsy of an animal, but we're able now to extend it to exotic animals and now even endangered and extinct animals, such as the T-Rex.
And as big as this headline is, beyond that, investors will be looking at what this means for the underlying platform. What does this proof of concept tell us about the commercial potential of this technology?
The underlying platform is something we call the ATIP, the Advanced Tissue Engineering Platform. And what we've done and developed in that platform is that we can control the biological trigger around the cells. So we're controlling the environment around the cells precisely within a sterile bioreactor at Newcastle. And this allows us to direct the cells to produce their own scaffold. And that is a collagen-rich extracellular matrix. Basically, we're forcing the cells to do the architectural work themselves. And this means that we're making a material this process allows us to make a material which is indistinguishable from leather at a cellular level. And it's driven initially from a single cell that we have complete genomic control over. So it allows us, in this example, to be programmed to behave like a T-Rex skin cell. This allows us to make this novel form of collagen that has some interesting biology in itself that reflects perhaps the time in which the dinosaurs were alive and how they had to respond to their environment in terms of strength and stiffness, etc. So what we're basically doing and allowing within this process is we're aiming, and especially with the T-Rex, is aiming to shift the narrative from natural heritage into biotech exclusivity.
And this move beyond proof of concept, what other kind of wider implications this could have, other than what you just mentioned, for the materials market, particularly, let's say, within luxury fashion?
More recently, the news around the investor, the new strategic investor coming in, a chap called John Story. He's got a well-known and well-respected background in luxury items, and we're really going to be looking to incorporate his expertise in defining our market and our go-to-market approach, specifically in the luxury market.
Yeah, John's a UK entrepreneur, well known here in the UK. Is a principal shareholder in Piers Hardy, which established quite a old and well-known watch, jewellery and accessory group. And with his strategic knowledge in that area, where, think of watch bands, think of accessories, and in T-Rex, you can sort of like let your imagination run wild. And he's got very excited about the T-Rex brand and the opportunities going forward. So it's great to have John with us in working and helping the company develop all of the aspects of the technology that Shay's been talking about.
And so I guess the last thing to ask is what I think everybody wants to know. Is this the precursor to real-life Jurassic Park?
Yeah, why not? Let's get everybody dressed up in T-Rex clothes and get them all roaring around the park. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Che and Jeff.
Thanks, Ricky.
Thanks, Ricky.
Once again, that is Che Conan, CEO, and Jeff Baker, Chairman at BSF Enterprise. For more on the company and its platform, visit bsfenterprise.com. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.